Citrine is a gemstone of light, happiness, and abundance. It is one of the most powerful gemstones for manifestation and can help you achieve your goals and bring your intentions to life. Citrine helps to bring and maintain prosperity of all types, removing negative energies and replacing them with positivity. Citrine balances the solar plexus chakra, helping to inspire and motivate you. Citrine is also connected to your sacral chakra and helps to ignite your passion and light a fire under you. Bring a strong sense of joy and a burst of energy with citrine. Next, let's get into the geology of citrine. Citrine is a variety of quartz that is yellow to brown. It ranges in color from a pale champagne-colored hue to bright orange depending on the type. Citrine's color comes from trace amounts of iron oxide. The shade of citrine is different depending on how much iron is in each stone. Citrine comes from quartz that has been heated. When the quartz comes into contact with temperatures of around 800 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, it changes color to yellow. This is how citrine is created deep within the earth, when the stones are exposed to natural forces of heat. This is what is called natural citrine. However, most of the citrine on the market did not become yellow underground. It was mined as amethyst and then later heated by hand. When this amethyst is heated, it also turns yellow and into citrine. This is known as heat-treated citrine, or sometimes called baked amethyst. The largest difference between natural and heat-treated citrine is color. They are both yellow, but heat-treated will often be a brighter shade and look very orange. Its color is not uniform and usually appears in a gradient. Natural citrine is a lighter, more brownish yellow. Natural citrine will never have any orange coloring, and it usually has more of a uniform color. Heat-treated citrine is also much more common and can be found in more sizes than natural citrine. Heat-treated is often less expensive as well. It is important to note that the only real difference between the two types of citrine is where they got heated. By the end of it, both natural and heat-treated are still citrine. This means they are metaphysically the same, even though their colors are a little bit different. Natural citrine is considered to be more valuable than heat-treated citrine. Amethyst is far more abundant than natural citrine, so there is a lot more heat-treated citrine for sale. It is easier to find and easier to make. Therefore, a piece of natural citrine can get pretty pricey because it is so rare. The most valuable specimens will be transparent, whereas translucent or opaque citrine may not be worth as much. Because they both come from quartz, both natural and heat-treated citrine are a 7 on the Mohs scale of hardness. This means that citrine is harder than most stones. The majority of citrine comes from Brazil in the state of Minas Gerais. However, it is also found in Scotland, Russia, France, Spain, Zambia, and Madagascar. In the United States, citrine can be found in California, North Carolina, and Colorado. Have you been feeling down lately? Have you ever been called negative? Or do you have a lack of energy? Then citrine is just what you need. Citrine is a powerful cleanser and energizer. It brings joy and lightness, as well as helps to balance your emotions. Citrine can also be used to increase creativity and focus. This bright stone attracts positivity of all kinds and will help you get rid of any negative thoughts you may have. If you need a burst of energy and joy in your life, citrine can help. Meditating with citrine can be a great way to boost your mood and attract positive energy into your life. By incorporating citrine into your meditation practice, you may notice a shift in your attitude towards life and feel more grateful and optimistic. Wearing citrine jewelry is a great way to attract positivity and to keep your energy up throughout the day. If you work with your hands, it may be useful to wear a citrine bracelet. We recommend wearing citrine on your non-dominant hand, as that is the receiving side of your body. Wearing a citrine bracelet or ring on your non-dominant hand will help you receive the positive energy of citrine. Carry a small tumbled piece of citrine to keep happy vibrations with you throughout the day. Place citrine in your office or workspace to keep you energized as you work. Every day is better with a little positivity, and citrine will bring that for you. It is important to cleanse your citrine so it doesn't hold on to any negative energy. Because it is so hard, it is safe to cleanse your citrine in water. However, it is prone to fading if left in the sun too long, so we don't recommend sun cleansing. Other methods that will work for citrine are smoke cleansing, sound baths, and placing your stone under the light of the full moon. Which crystal would you like us to do a deep dive on next?